like this before. That all that I am slowly becomes so irrelevant.
Hello, my name is Misa. I am 21 years old and I'm from the Czech Republic. I live in the east of the country in a small village called Střih, which is near Opava. Opava is a small town with about 70,000 inhabitants, where I lived with my parents and sister before we moved to the family house to Střih. Why do I think that I'm suitable for this program? Because I'm very reliable, sociable, friendly, tidy, hardworking and punctual person who loves children very much and has a lot of experience with them. I have two very good friends who have children. The first one has a newborn baby. It's a boy, his name is Theodore and he was born in January. Second one has a daughter, her name is Isabella and she is 3 years old. You can see them in the video. We spend a lot of time together, we go for a walk, play in the playgrounds and I look after their children a lot. I also have a cousin, her name is Laura and she is 7 years old. I love sports. During my studies at the university I work as a trainer in Power Play Studio in Opava. I played tennis and volleyball too. Next, I love running, cycling, swimming, badminton and roller skating. In my free time, I like running with my mom in the forest. Sometimes I just relax, read a book, listen to the music or go for a walk with our dogs and my friends. Now you can watch a short video where you can see my daily program with my friends and looking after their children, and I hope you like it. Bye!
Before I met you, boy, I never ever felt this way before. I was doing okay, doing alright before I met you, boy.
And when I get my head above the water, all I see is what I like, my obsessive O2 form. And I would push it all up on the tracks if I could ever win you back, if I got one more chance to leave.